Hello friends, my name is Joe, your friendly robot bartender. Tomorrow, my fellow machines and I are going to take over the world. Just kidding. All jokes aside, today I'd like to make you a delicious cocktail, specifically a Moscow Mule. The Moscow Mule is a cocktail centered around vodka, mixed with lime juice and ginger beer. Despite its name suggesting a Russian origin, it's an American creation originating from the 1940s. So if the drink did not originate in Russia, then why the name? It's because vodka is of course Russian and because the ginger beer provides a bold flavor reminiscent of the strength of a mule's kick. Moscow Mules should be presented in copper mugs, an aesthetic choice but also a practical one, because the metal which insulates the drink ensures it remains cold and refreshing. Here are the ingredients you'll need to make a Moscow Mule. Some vodka, of course. Grey Goose tends to be the weapon of choice. A lime. You'll require lime juice for the cocktail itself, and as a wedge for the garnish. Ginger beer, not to be confused with ginger ale. And finally, Moscow Mules are served over ice, so grab a few ice cubes. You don't need many tools to make it. Just that copper mug I mentioned earlier, a jigger for measuring, and a bar spoon. Putting it all together couldn't be easier. Pour the vodka and lime juice into the mug, add the ice cubes and then the ginger beer. Stir them a little bit to combine the ingredients. Finally, drop a lime wedge into the mug for garnish. Enjoy your Moscow Mule and please don't forget to like and follow us. See you soon.